Feeling hungry all the time can be frustrating and make it difficult to stick to a healthy diet. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can use to reduce your appetite and help control your food intake. So let's get started. 1. Eat more protein. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, and it can help reduce hunger and cravings. Studies have shown that increasing your protein intake can lead to reduced hunger and increased feelings of fullness. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. Drinking water before meals may also help you eat fewer calories, leading to weight loss over time. 3. Eat mindfully. Eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and savoring each bite can help you feel more satisfied and reduce hunger. Mindful eating also helps you pay more attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. 4. Choose fiber-rich foods. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. Eating fiber-rich foods can also help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. 5. Reduce stress. Stress can increase hunger and lead to overeating. Finding ways to reduce stress, such as exercise or meditation, can help reduce your appetite and prevent emotional eating. 6. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Getting enough sleep can help regulate these hormones and reduce hunger. 7. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda and fruit juice, can increase hunger and contribute to weight gain. Choosing water or unsweetened beverages can help reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. 8. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. It can also help regulate hormones that control appetite and promote weight loss. 9. Eat spicy foods. Eating spicy foods, such as chili peppers, can help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. Spicy foods may also boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories. 10. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulse eating. Preparing healthy meals and snacks can also help reduce hunger and prevent overeating. Reducing hunger and appetite can be challenging, but it's essential for maintaining a healthy weight and lifestyle. Incorporating these science-backed strategies into your routine can help you feel more satisfied and in control of your food intake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.